How to fix edit message feature in Messenger not showing. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to fix edit message feature in Messenger not showing. You've sent a message in Facebook Messenger and realized there's a typo, or maybe you just want to rephrase something. Messenger now lets you edit messages you've already sent. So to fix edit message feature in Messenger not showing, first, open the Play Store app on your phone. Search for Messenger. If an update is available, tap Update. Once updated, go to your phone settings. Find Apps or Applications and tap on it. Tap Manage Apps. Locate Messenger and tap on it. Tap on Clear Data in the bottom right corner. Tap on Clear Cache in the pop-up, then tap OK to confirm. Now, you are good to go. By following these simple steps, you should have the message edit feature back in your Messenger app. But if it still doesn't work for you, this is because Messenger is gradually rolling out features. You may not have received the update yet. And this is how to fix edit message feature in Messenger not showing. If you have any questions about edit message feature in Messenger, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.